A shift just happened. At this instant, the force turning the wheels became 2.8 times larger. And yet the engine is not making 1 extra watt. Stronger, without more power. The trick is revealed at the end. Today, we make the inside of a gearbox completely visible. The cast is 2 gears. Green is the input, spun by the engine. Amber is the output, connected to the wheels. They mesh tooth against tooth. This is where the force flows. The secret is the tooth count, 13 in, 37 out. 1 full turn of the input moves the output only 1/3 of a turn. In exchange, by the law of the lever, the torque is multiplied 2.8 times. Multiply speed by force and you always get the same number. This is the gear curve. Choosing a gear means choosing your seat on this curve. Strong top left, fast bottom right. Now we launch. First gear. Shift up before the engine revs out. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The engine stays in its happy band, while the road speed keeps climbing. Time for the answer. When the force grew 2.8 times, the speed fell to 1/2/8. Multiply them. No change at all. A gearbox creates no power. It only exchanges speed for force. That is the most beautiful physics hiding in 2 simple gears. Nova Solver. Physics made visible.